Not every time there was not. Not every time there was not
But most of the parents think I will not give the child phone daily. Most of the parents.
But my parents didn't think.
But your parents. But most of the parents think like this. Most of the parents think I will give the child phone after the 12th, after that classes. But first, starting to nursery to 12th, we have to go to school. We have to choose offline education.
Only some parents think.
Some parents think that we have 100% to 99% parents think like this.
But you will see now that online education is moving too much.
If you miss a class, you can watch recording later.
That time I call my friend for a work what was doing in a class. I will say my friends send me all work because I have a lot of friends in my school and I have many teachers contact numbers. I will call directly.
But not all friends.
But all friends we have.
No.
Here we have friends. We have made the goodly. We have taught goodly one other people. So they will make friends.
Online classes are a modern way of learning through the internet.
Only for you. It's not all people.
Everyone.
Only for you. It's your imagination. It's not a nowadays.
So why are you studying offline classes?
I'm studying offline classes because it's a batch compare online education.
Everyone is not able to recharge the internet and not able to the smartphone and laptop.
Now government is providing too much and government is giving too much to the people. So we can take the phone also. It is government is giving.
Government
Now tell me who is
I
giving to
saw
this
many
thing.
videos. Government doesn't give the most of the people.
Why waste in hours when we can study at home?
We can't over our time. We can't waste our time. We have to go to school. It's for a learning experience. We have to go to school. We have learning many things. We have to make a friends. We have to whenever we have any doubt, we have to face to face teacher. It's your
Can
imagination.
you tell me how much time it take to you when you reach to school?
I reach my home to school only 5 minutes, only 2-3 minutes because I go to the van. Because Darius has a lot of vans. I think 83
How much
vans there.
time it take to you to
I
reach
take
the
2-3
school?
minutes.
Only
5
2-3
minutes
minutes.
only.
5 minutes you take.
Yeah.
5 minutes you take to go there, and 5 minutes you take to come here, and 5 minutes to came to you to take the tuition here.
But
so
when
how
we
many
take-
wasted? You have wasted the half an hour.
I am not
so it is a
wasting my
wastage
time.
of time.
I am not wasting my time because it's a compulsory. We have finished the 10 minutes, 20 minutes. It's a
No.
compulsory in school. It's a compulsory.
you will-
But when we have to
No, you will
take
see the
online
shop. You will
education.
think that I want to take the ice cream. I want to eat the ice
But
cream.
when we
And
have
you
to
will go
take
there and
online
you will think that I want to eat
education,
it.
when we have online education, we have concentrate on a phone. We have
No,
damage
if you
our eyes.
will go when
It's
you
for
are
you.
traveling
It's
here,
for you.
no, it's not for me.
And
Many students think that if they want to go anywhere, they will
You
see
have
the
to
shop
listen
and they
my
will think
thing.
that I want to eat this.
You
I want
have
to,
to
eat this,
listen my
and they
thing
will
also
stay
what
there
I'm
and they will
saying.
waste 1.5
Imagine you have an exam and in due 24 hours and just about the time you sit down to study the most important topic and then your internet service is dry. So how can you study?
I will take my mother phone and then I will study.
Network problem is not your phone. Your mother phone is also has a network.
Not every day it
problem.
will. Not every day
But
it will.
not every day. But sometimes. But
So
it's not
sometimes
a
I will not study. I will study next day.
So you have finished your time. You have waste your time. That time.
While
When you
I
waste
will
your
study
time.
from notebook. I will take my book and then I study.
But you can't study because you are taking online classes, online
So
education. But
I will
it's
say to
not.
my teacher, na.
Why you? Please tell me why you go to school every day why you come here to study with Zakaria sir?
So I want to ask Sui, why is he teaching online? Why he's not teaching online?
Why you are not teaching online? I am saying here why you are here.
It's compulsory.
It's compulsory.
my-
I am
it's
saying
my
also.
rule.
I am
It's
saying
my
also
rule.
it's a compulsory offline education. Most of the people use offline education, not online education. But that people use online education who has a who don't know how to study offline.
But students can attend online classes if they are traveling.
Oh, I know. I also attend the online classes, but it's not all the time. So all the time we have compulsory to go to school. We have to compulsory to come tuition to study. We have only 2-3 days. We have to go to anywhere for a party with all families, but it's not a compulsory. But offline education is compulsory to
Listen
go
to
to
me.
school.
In offline education is very risky for health problem, but offline is safe.
Oh, offline is safe. Who was
Yes.
saying you offline is not safe?
Offline is
when
safe.
you say
Offline is safe.
why you offline is safe? Can you tell me? Oh, online is not safe. Online will damage our eyes. We have to concentrate 100%. But we have any stress. We have to go to school yesterday. Tomorrow we have to.
I
go
am
to
not
school.
agree.
So it's a compulsory. Our
She was saying that
parents.
she was not agree because when you go to school, you will make friends and you will waste the time. You will roam in the school, but in online you will stay at your home and you
It's
will
your-
study in peace also. There was
It's
no
your
distractions.
imagination.
I think it's your imagination.
When we study online education, we have to concentrate only fun. We don't have friends. We don't have any activities. So that time your mind will very
No, we can play at
aggressively.
home.
When
We
your
can
mind
play
thinks,
at our
I have
home
to-
also with
I
our
have also
siblings.
I have also friends. I have to choose online offline education because when I will go to the tuitions, when I will go to the schools, so my brain concentration is good. But
Because you
when
roam here and
we-
you want to eat ice cream, that's why you came here and you want to purchase something from shops.
it's not compulsory.
Online education is better because you can take recorded lectures every time.
I told you I call my friends and I will say my friends what was doing in a class, please send me. It's not a compulsory. And when we have to all take offline education, did you went to school? Have you
No.
completed your classes?
Yes.
So why did you take offline classes? You have to take online classes. Why you had to take online classes? Because I have completed nursery to 12th in a school. It's a part of offline education.
But she take now no. Most of the people are using and taking the
Why
online
you are not
education.
using? Why you are not using?
It's my choice. I have said to you, na.
Why your choice? You are here to favor of online education. So why you are
So
not
it's my
using?
topic. It's my topic. That's why I'm favoring.
It's your not the topic. When you use that
It's my
time,
topic. That's why I'm favoring now.
you are not using now.
But let's not forget, the world is changing. We must prepare students for digital world.
Digital work, I know it's a good, but compare offline education. Offline education is better than online. We have to take digital classes, digital TVs, digital that things. So when we have many problems, health problems, eye problems, and when we take online classes in a room, so when your any siblings is crying, your mind concentrate your siblings.
Mashallah, they spoke well and they made a lot of grammatical mistakes, but they were free to do all the mistakes. They committed and they did. बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की माशाल्लाह सब बच्चों ने और बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर्ड होके आए. Clapping for them once more.